How to activate live translate during a call on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the phone application. Then tap on the more button at the top here. Then we go into settings. In call settings, tap on live translate and make sure it is turned on. If you don't turn this on, you cannot use the live translate feature. Okay, so when you receive a call, pick up the call, and during the call, then tap on this AI button and tap on live translate, and that's it. Now you can choose the other person. By default, it will set a preset language, but you can change the language during the call as well. Okay, so for yourself or for the other person, you can change the language. After that, you can just speak and the phone will automatically perform live translate for you. And here we can swipe across to view your phone dialer, or you can swipe to the right to view your live translate screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.